My name is Dr. Yaron Gabel and I am the Senior Clinical Education Manager at Young Innovations Dental Oral Surgery Division. This includes Young Surgical, Salvin, and Preat Corporation. In this video, we will talk about a great new way you can use your MUA or implant-level digital analogs with the Preat Choice CAD library to improve laboratory productivity and consistency. As we continue to evolve to a fully digital dental world, physical impressions are becoming less frequent. However, while we may not see as many physical impressions in the lab as we once have, they still make up a good percentage of cases. Current workflows for traditional impressions often require that the laboratory must pour a model, wait for the stone to set up, trim that model before using a desktop scanner to enter the digital world. This can be time-consuming, especially on rush cases. Preat has come up with an incredible solution for these cases, allowing you to utilize our same digital analogs normally used on 3D printed models as reverse scan bodies. Traditional impressions can then be digitized, and laboratory technicians can begin their CAD/CAM workflow without the need to pour up a model. The process is fairly simple. All you have to do is attach the corresponding digital analogs to each of the implant copings in an impression, set up your order form in 3Shapes or Exocad, and start the scanning process using any desktop scanner. If you haven't installed the latest Preat Choice Library, please visit our website to download the library or contact our service team. It's important to mention that as of the creation of this video, 3Shape does not allow for scanning of impressions for implant cases, so it will be necessary to utilize a third-party software such as MeshLab to assist with some of the steps necessary. The model can then be designed as normal, utilizing the same steps you would use when creating any working model from an intraoral scan, and once printed, simply drop the same digital analogs you use for scanning into the model and screw them down so they can be used in your restorative cases. Yes, it's that easy. Utilizing this technique, you can be printing a model and milling or printing a restoration in no time, improving productivity in the lab and potentially turn time for implant cases. Preat has been advancing tooth replacement for 45 years. We focus on providing the dental industry with solutions that are patient-driven, clinician-friendly, and technician-focused. Our goal is to bring all involved in the creation of smiles closer together to improve the quality of care. I hope you found the contents of this video helpful. For more information on this and other exciting topics, please visit us online at www.preat.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.